Okay, let me refer you to page 121, slide 12. Okay, as you can see in the question, there are some things that are given to you. So, the coordinates of P is given to you. Am I right? What's the coordinates of P? Negative 15, comma 4. So, whenever a coordinate is given to you, there is one thing I can write down immediately. I can write down the position vector of P. Agree? Since the coordinates of P is negative 15, comma 4, it means for me to move from the origin to P. This will be my column vector. All agree? Why? Because if I plot negative 15, 4 over here, negative 15, 4 over here, to move from the origin to this point called P, this is exactly the column vector. All agree? This will be a very useful guide. So, take note. Whenever you see a position vector in a column vector, it also means that you can write down the coordinates of P immediately, because this is with respect to O, the origin itself. Similarly, what will be the column vector for, or rather the position vector for S? 35. 6. Bottom element will be 4. With these two column vectors, it's actually going to be very useful. Of course, you know that PQ is 5, 8. And take note, there is a very useful information that is in the question, not on the diagram. I'm going to put it down. What is that information? PS is equal to 2 times of PQ. Oh, sorry. RS is twice of PQ. Meaning, they must be in this direction. All agree? Because it's R to S, P to Q. But the thing is, they told you that RS is actually double the length of PQ. The magnitude of RS is twice of this. I'm just putting it down. This is 2 units. This is 1 unit. And I'm ready to begin my lesson. Okay, or rather start with the question now. Part A. Find the coordinates of Q. Anyone can help me with that? Brazil? Okay, remember, whenever we have position vector, it's very useful to make use of formula. Okay, that is an important thing. Brazil, the formula that can make use of PQ, it will be equivalent to okay, this is the useful formula which I asked you to remember since last week. Whenever you have position vector, let us recap. What is position vector again? Rachel, do you know what is position vector? It's not about the arrow. There will definitely be direction, there will be magnitude, but more importantly, shape. No, it's not about shape. 90 degrees? No. Yes, it must start from the origin. How I know it starts from the origin? There's the origin there, and obviously I know the coordinates of P and F. I can write down the position vector for P and F immediately. Alright? And this formula will be very useful. Just have to plug in all the results. PQ is already given. OQ is the one that I need to find. OP is the position vector over here. So if I need to calculate OQ, will be this vector add to the column vector for P. If you give me this answer, it will be wrong. Why wrong? Wang Ye. The plus sign. What's wrong with the plus sign? Correct what? This one balance here, minus become plus. Read the question. Yes, please down the coordinates. So in this case, Q is negative 10, comma 12. I want the coordinate. I do not want the position vector for Q. On this node, A max exactly the same thing. Ask you to find the coordinates to solve. If you don't write out the coordinates, I will have to penalize you. Okay? That's when you see your test paper later. Now, the hint is given. You need to make use of position vector formula for you to find coordinates of certain point. I will give you 2 minutes to do part B. Alright, make use of the fact. Remember, we are going to make use of position vector formula for this one as well.